Thank you. I did. I love my gas blowback. He was right on the hill.
Okay.
So he might be in there.
I just saw it in here. I just lost it.
He's first on us. Oh, there's still more. Ooh, careful, buddy. You fall out of me.
I'm sorry.
You're good.
Is it? Yeah.
And this, oh, he moved. Hey, I'm crossing.
Hey, he's down on that corner. Behind you, behind you, behind you.
Bang, bang. Oh, bang, 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 bang.
Yeah, that's evil.
Oh, no! I got friendly fire! It was worth it! I'm gonna cross.
Wait. Stand right here. Front.
I blocked it! Yeah, I'll call it. I'll say he got me, but
That is absolutely terrible.
I blocked his shot with my flip flop.
Good.
No, you're good.
Oh, I'll call it.
Okay. Where are they?
One right here on this hill behind like a small flat boulder.
Oh. Where are you?
Hit. I'm hit.
Ryan, I got him! Oh, come on. How am I out of ammo again? Oh, hit. Medic? Just count to a minute. Oh, I'm gonna reload. God, dude, nothing wants to work today.
Almost got shot in the left foot. Whoa.
I'm touching you, but I don't want to touch you because you're sweating.
Oh, I know. No, I'm braced to sweat here. You want me to rub it all over you?
I thought you were on phone out. No, my battery died. I just don't want to get shot by you.
Oh, ding ding.
Yeah, you see this right now?
I feel you, bro. I'm running my gas blowback and I hate my life.
Hey, good melee kill, dude. Watch that window.